Hello, and welcome to my video on the origin of one of the most popular languages of all time. Have you ever wondered how C++ got its name? Or how it came into being? Well, if you did, you are in the right place. And if for some reason you didn't, well, you are here now, so might as well watch the video, right? Let me take you back in time to 1979. Bjarni Strostrup was working on his PhD thesis and started upon this thing called C with classes, which is exactly as the name suggests. It was kind of like C, only with classes and what have you. As you can probably guess, he wanted to introduce object-oriented concepts within the traditional C language. The first compiler for the C with classes was called CFront. It was designed to translate the C with classes back into C. Now, why is C called C in the first place? That, my friends, is a topic for another video. C++ became C++ only in 1983, which is also exactly as the name suggests. It is the ++ operator which, for those of us who are unaware, increments variables. More on that later. Anyways, this suggests that C++ was an incremented version of C, which is kind of true if you think about it. I mean, the syntax is quite similar, both have the letter C in them. In 1985, although the language had not yet been standardized, it was commercialized. That means made available for folks like you and me. In 1988, the C++ Standards Committee published the first international standard for the language. And back then, it was informally known as C++ 98. New standards with many new features were finished and introduced in 2011. So the name is now C++ 11. If you're wondering where C++ is used today, then you have to go no further than taking a look at some of your favorite and biggest games released. The Unreal Engine uses C++ as its scripting language, which means for all the games made with Unreal, there's a strong chance that C++ was used. I say that because the Unreal Engine also offers the choice of blueprints, which is a visual way of writing code. C++ also happens to be the backbone of some of your favorite operating systems. Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, you know. Android, if you didn't know, is based on Linux. The compilers of many other languages were also built using C++. Fun fact, even though Unity's chosen language for scripting is C#, all the C# code that you write is converted back into C++ and then processed by the engine. So it's still very popular. Anyways, I'll see you next time and hit that like button. If you loved the video, hit the subs button. And if you did not love the video, go ahead and hit the button anyways, and you can close your eyes when my videos come on. See ya later.